Nairobi.
Jatend piny William Ruto kwayo mbalariany ma pacho ka mondo los tudruok kod sekta mag ji giwegi mar medo thuolo mar yudo omenda mag tayo chenro magi. Ruto ne loso e nyasi mar sidho simbo jopuonjre ma mbalariany ma Masinde Muliro mano e kaunti ma Kakamega. Kamano bende osingo ne piny owacho biro dhi nyime kod siro mbalariany ma pacho ka mano ni tije
by robust first philosophical underpinnings, commercially exploitable research, innovations, and other entities that can be transformed into large, transformative enterprises and impactful, high-quality consultancies. In the final analysis, this application of the university's natural advantages will contribute to socio-economic development of this region, of our country, and globally. Additionally, private-public partnerships can help address persistent challenges by increasing capacity in student accommodation and enhancing the quality of other services to international standards.